Have you ever felt like your energy, drive, or performance just isn't what it used to be? You're not alone. For millions of men over 50, the truth is simple. Your body isn't producing energy or circulating blood like it once did. But what if I told you that ancient civilizations had a natural way to fix this, using something as simple as oil? Hi, I'm Dr. Luna, a urologist and men's health specialist, and today, I'm going to share with you an ancient oil trick that has been rediscovered by modern science. A method that helps men over 50 naturally boost their vitality, blood circulation, and confidence, without relying on pills or harsh chemicals. As men age, their testosterone levels drop, blood flow slows down, arteries stiffen, and vital organs don't get the oxygen they once did. This affects everything: your stamina, focus, mood, and yes, even your performance in the most private moments. But here's the thing most men don't realize. It's not just about testosterone, it's also about circulation. The smooth flow of blood through your body. When your circulation weakens, oxygen delivery declines, muscles don't get enough nutrients, your energy crashes, and recovery becomes harder. That's why so many men wake up feeling tired, weak, or just not themselves. Thousands of years ago, men didn't have modern supplements or fancy equipment. They relied on natural remedies, and one of their best-kept secrets was oil therapy. In Ayurveda and ancient Mediterranean medicine, men used specific oils, like black seed oil, sesame oil, and olive oil, not just for cooking, but for circulatory health and hormonal balance. Modern research now supports what ancient healers already knew. These oils are rich in natural compounds like thymoquinone, lignans, and omega fatty acids, which improve blood vessel flexibility, reduce inflammation, and even help boost nitric oxide production. Nitric oxide is the molecule responsible for relaxing your blood vessels, improving flow and energy throughout the body. Let's break it down scientifically. When you consume these oils, or use them topically in certain areas, they activate the body's natural healing pathways. Improved blood flow. The healthy fats in these oils increase nitric oxide, which widens blood vessels and allows more oxygen-rich blood to flow freely. Reduced inflammation. Chronic inflammation blocks arteries and limits circulation. These oils contain antioxidants that fight that inflammation naturally. Hormonal balance. Certain oils help the body convert cholesterol into testosterone, the key hormone for strength, stamina, and vitality. Enhanced nerve sensitivity. Ancient oil massages weren't just for relaxation. They also increased nerve response and improved muscular coordination in men. According to modern urology research, the most effective blend combines black seed oil, boosts nitric oxide and reduces oxidative stress. Extra virgin olive oil improves heart and artery health. Sesame oil supports hormonal function and blood flow. When used together, even just 1 teaspoon daily, this trio can make a noticeable difference in your circulation and energy within weeks. Many men prefer to add this oil blend to their morning coffee or smoothie, while others massage it gently on key areas, such as lower abdomen or legs, to stimulate blood flow naturally. In clinical studies, men who use these natural oils for 8 to 12 weeks reported increased morning energy, better blood flow, improved focus and motivation, enhanced performance confidence. These aren't miracles, they're biology at work. By restoring circulation and hormone balance, your body begins to feel younger, stronger, and more alive. Here's how I recommend incorporating this ancient oil trick safely and effectively. Step 1. Morning routine. Start your day with a teaspoon of the oil blend, black seed plus olive plus sesame, in your warm coffee or smoothie. This helps absorption and fuels your metabolism. Step 2. Gentle massage. A few times a week, apply a few drops to your lower abdomen or legs before bed. This promotes relaxation, muscle recovery, and better circulation overnight. Step 3. Stay active and hydrated. Even a 20-minute walk daily enhances the benefits of these oils. Movement and hydration are key to supporting your cardiovascular system. You see, modern medicine often focuses on treatment, not prevention. But the truth is, many of these natural methods work because they restore what the body has lost, not because they add something artificial. In my years of practice as a urologist, I've seen countless men regain their confidence and vitality simply by returning to nature, by using what ancient wisdom has already taught us. You don't need to chase every new supplement or risk your health with harsh pills. Sometimes the secret lies in something simple, something ancient, something natural. Before you rush to try it, remember, not all oils are the same. Here are the top mistakes men make: using low-quality oils. Many supermarket oils are mixed or refined, losing their natural compounds. Always choose cold-pressed organic options. Taking too much. More doesn't mean better. 1 to 2 teaspoons daily is enough. Ignoring diet and movement. Oils are powerful, but they can't fix everything alone. Combine them with a balanced diet, hydration, and light exercise. Men, growing older doesn't mean growing weaker. Your body still has incredible potential. It just needs the right support. This ancient oil trick isn't magic. It's nature's science rediscovered. By improving circulation, reducing inflammation, and supporting hormones naturally, you give your body the tools to feel 20 again. Strong, focused, and confident. Remember, true vitality isn't just about performance. It's about energy, mindset, and the ability to enjoy life fully. So, try it for yourself. Start small, be consistent. And within weeks, you may notice your mornings feel more powerful, your focus sharper, and your drive stronger. I'm Dr. Luna, and this is Stoic Pro, where we bring ancient wisdom and modern science together to help men live stronger, longer, and better. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more natural health insights for men over 50. Stay strong, stay grounded, and remember, real strength starts from within.